Hello friends. Friends, today I'm going to show you how to configure local certificate authority and how we can configure SSL certificate for internal website. So for this demonstration, I have already configured ADDS Active Directory Domain Service plus IS server at Windows Server 2012 R2 standard machine. So friends, basically we have using two type of SSL certificate, one for local intranet, other for internet. So basically both certificate we are using same way. So I explain everything about SSL certificate. So let's start. So right now I'm going to install domain certificate authority at this machine. So open your server manager. Click on manage and click on add role and feature. Add role and feature wizard. Click on next. Select role based or feature based installation and then click next. Select the server from the server pool. This is my server. Server name is dc.itsunil.local, which is IP address is 192.168.20.100 and operating system Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 standard. Click next. Select here. Click on checkbox Active Directory Certificate Service. Add feature. Click next. Okay, Active Directory Certificate Service. Click next. Certificate Authority Web Service. Check mark. Authority Web Enrollment. Okay, Certificate Enrollment Policy Web Server. And then click next. And then install. We have to wait some time here. Maybe it's take 5 to 10 minutes to install as per your server microprocessor, as per your capabilities of server, how much RAM you have installed and how much processor you have provided to this server. So just wait. Configuration required installation succeed on the dc.itsunil.local. Now we have to close this wizard. After complete the installation, I'm going to restart my server. After restart the server, we're going to configure the certificate. So log in your server. Now after restart my server, I'm going to configure Active Directory domain certificate. So open your server manager. Click on tool. Yeah, you can directly click on notification. Configure Active Directory certificate service. Next, certificate authority web enrollment, certificate enrollment policy web service, and then click next. Click on enterprise CA, click next. Root CA, click next. Create new policy, click next. Click next, and then click next. Specify the validity period. You can select 5-year, no issue, and then click next. Click next. Window integrated authentication, click next. Choose an ASAN certificate for the SSL letter. Click next, and then click configure. Now certificates set now certification authority has been configured successfully. Certification authority web enrollment configuration succeed, and then click close. No. Okay, now you have to close this wizard. Now I'm going to open my IIS server, inet mgr. I'm going to server certificate. Click on create domain certificate. Okay, common name is like, type here all your common name, the website name, organization unit, city and state and country. Then click next. Select your certificate, this one, and friendly name is www.itsunil.local. Then click finish. Okay, going to website binding. Add website name, https, assign your IP address. This is my server IP address. By default, https port is 443. Host name is www.itsunil.local. Select the certificate is itsunil.local. View, you can check the certificate for the following purpose. Ensure itsunil CE. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to DNS server, DNS sorry, DNS mgmt.msc. Click on here, forward lookup zone. Now create a domain host name, say www, and type here the name 192.168.20.100 and add. Okay. Now finally I'm going to client machine and check whether our site is working or not. Sunil. Okay. Open Internet Explorer and click here https colon double slash www.itsunil.local. Okay, website is working. Now you can check the certificate itsunil.dc.ca, view certificate. See, so my website is working with SSL certificate. I have checked with client and server also. So I hope you understand how we can configure SSL certificate for the intranet site. Yeah, other way you can create the certificate request. Okay, next. Okay, next. You can save here as desktop. No, down. See, shirt dot text. Then finish. Okay. Now I'm going to download and copy all the content without editing and go to the Internet Explorer http colon double slash localhost cert SRV request a certificate advanced certificate request submit certificate request by using base. Okay, paste here web server, select your web server, additional attribute www.itsunil.local, click submit and then download your certificate. So here is a certificate. Okay, view this one. Okay, so both way we you can create and request for your certificate. Suppose you have a external certificate not for itsunil.local. So how you can import your certificate in this server? So let's check. Open the Microsoft Management Console MMC. Okay, file, add remove snaps. Click on authority, certificate, add computer accounts, next, finish, and then okay. and go to your certificate, trusted root certificate. Go to the certificate, right click on here, allow all task and import. Next, and choose your file name. This one you can select and open. If you have external certificate, SSL certificate, so you have to do that. After import your certificate, go to this IIS server, go to IIS server and create your server. Click on server and server and click on complete certificate request. Click on here, browse your certificate, certificate and click open. Type your name, whatever your website name, your domain name, like xyz.com, www.xyz.com, and then click OK. Actually, just I'm showing you the demo because this is xyz.com. It's ITsunil.local. It is authority domain. But I'm showing you how we can do that. If you have the external certificate, how you can configure your server. That's for demonstration. I hope you understand both way how we can configure and request SSL certificate and how we can put up my domain and how we can verify. I hope you understand.